You might be having a team of people who are working on your website together with you. These could be designers, copywriters, or your colleagues. Giving full access to your account may not be secure. Instead, you can invite them to become website contributors. Contributors have access to the website editor and certain website settings, but they can't delete, duplicate sites, manage subscriptions or connect domains. You can have an unlimited number of contributors on any website. To invite the first contributor, open the site settings, navigate to the relevant tab, then click on Invite Contributor. In the pop-up window, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. After the invitation has been sent, that person has 3 days to accept it. Here's how it looks like from the point of view of the invited person. They receive an email with a button to accept the invitation. Then they are redirected to the new page, where they can create a new account or log into the existing one. Once they are done, the shared website appears in their account. This is what the website settings look like for the contributors. Note that there are less settings than the site owner has. By clicking the 3 dots and then on the relevant button, the invited person can stop contributing to the website at any point. You as a website owner also can close access to the website from your account. For that, return to the Contributors section, click on the 3 dots, and then on Delete.